Okay, so I'm really only making this video. I don't plan on joining, Google One or whatever it is. But basically, I have been seeing people having issues with, basically how to fix their Google balance, not updating for in-app purchases. So now I've had this problem with CryptoTab. CryptoTab is one of my favorite applications. I absolutely love it because it's free Bitcoin. So I'll put a link in the description for that. It's 100% legit. Use it on your computer, use it on your mobile device, whatever the case may be. But anyway, so probably gonna have to blur some of this stuff out. So let's go to $9.99 a month here. Let's see here. Let's see if I even have enough here. $9.99 a month. All right. Now I go to my PayPal. Right. And it's saying I only have $7.51, right? So basically what you would do is you would click on your PayPal, and then you would go back and you would click on your Google balance, whatever it is. So mine is actually accurate at the moment. But before, it was only showing $2 and like 30 cents or something like that. Basically, rewards that I have gained from Google Opinion Rewards. So let's go to $2.99 a month. So okay. So in here, basically, it's saying, my default is my PayPal. And then, if I wanted to, I could use my Google Play balance of $7.51. Now, like I said before, your balance might be lower than what it says. Now, if that is the case, click on it. It should actually refresh to your actual balance. So if that's not the case, what you're going to do is go back to your PayPal, and then you're going to click your Google Play balance right there. And I'm not signing up for anything. I just wanted to show everybody how to actually get how to actually refresh their Google Play balance. So, like I said, a lot of times, at least from what I've seen in the past, people's Google Play balance have been lower than what it appears to be. So it's basically just a matter of, fiddling around with it. So essentially, you would just, like I said, you would click on it, you would click on your PayPal, then you would click on your Google balance, and it should update automatically. So that's really all I have for today. So I'm not buying jack from this because I do not need it. So, alright everybody, thank you very much for watching. Hopefully this video helped you out a little bit, just on how to update your Google Play balance, if you are having issues with this. So, alright, that's all I have for today, and I got a lot of blurring to do. Goodbye.